Hey guys, my name is Sean from SilverStone. In this video, I'll be introducing you to the newest member of our Milo series family, the ML10. The story behind this chassis was to create the smallest yet compact, slim Mini-ITX chassis while being highly flexible at the same time. Hence, we created this modular design that allows it to increase in size if needed, which includes 2 top covers and 2 interchangeable bezels, allowing it to be as small as 2.8 litres in total volume or 3.7 litres if you wish to install a taller CPU cooler or have a wider storage option. The ML10 has an elegant brush front bezel with 2 USB 3.0s, solid steel body structure with an interior that's designed for a compact build, optimized for efficient airflow. It features 3 50mm fan mounts on the side with a 15mm clearance from the edge of the motherboard. The elevated top cover also includes a 120mm or a 140mm fan mount and ventilation holes for the standard top cover. Due to the flexibility from its modular design, it allows different configurations to accommodate various storage components based on the height of your CPU coolers. For instance, the standard top cover, you can install a 7mm height 2.5-inch drive with a CPU cooler no higher than 31mm. For the elevated top cover, 31mm cooler clearance if you wish to install only one 3.5-inch drive. $38mm if you wish to install a 120mm or a 140mm fan with a 25mm thickness. $49mm if you wish to install 7mm height 2.5-inch drives. And 63 total clearance if you wish to use a M.2 drive without installing neither 2.5-inch drive, 3.5-inch drive, or a top fan. When you remove the standoffs included, you can still install a slim 9.5mm slim optical drive on top of the drive bracket when you have 2.5-inch drive installed or neither 2.5-inch or 3.5-inch drives. Another feature for this case is that it could be placed vertically or horizontally, or if you wish to save space, a VESA mount is also included, so you can hide the case behind your monitor if you wish to do so. Hopefully you guys like this case as much as we do. Thank you.